I'm so sorry, guys. My other video, I had to go for dinner. So, here are my unicorn poop slimes. I'm going to open them so you can see whether you should buy them. I got them at Smith Toy Superstore, as you could see in my last video. And they're pretty cool. I'm going to open this one first. As you can see from the back, it is clear slime. And it also has a purple unicorn in it. Okay, so I've opened it. Whoa, look. Okay, okay, I'll come back in 1 minute. I'm just gonna open the window because there isn't much good light in here. Okay, I hope that's better for you to see. Okay, just going to get the wrapper up so it's easier for you guys to see. So, this is the back, and when I put the finger in, it's really good slime. There's still only a tiny bit of it. It does not stick to you at all. It does not stretch though. It just breaks. But anyway, it doesn't get anywhere on your hands. And it's really simple. It is not stretchy though. I'm gonna get the rest out, but I don't know where to put it really. I know. No, I have a hole in it. I know, I could put it in here, my LOL thing. And I got two. Oh, and I just noticed that it has loads of pretty little butterflies in at the bottom. That's nice. Okay, now let's open my other one and we can mix them together. The same texture. Oh, and this one has a unicorn. Oh yeah, this one has a unicorn in it as well. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna get this unicorn out because it's the first one. This is what the unicorn looks like, and it's kind of rubbery. Okay, it's really nice slime. This one stretches a bit more, but it does break as well. It doesn't get anywhere on your hands. It's super fun to play with. And now I'm gonna get the unicorn out of this one. This one's more clear than that other one. And then this unicorn is purple. Then I'm gonna mix those two slimes, make a big slime. This one is the same as the other one, just purple. And they can live together. This is what I'm left with. Beautiful clear slime. Isn't very stretchy. And it's beautiful. My sisters are playing with each other. Okay, let's put them together. I told them not to come in. So they shouldn't come in and disturb me. Okay. Now I've got a load of slime here. And it's so fun to play with. I don't know how they make it. It isn't very stretchy. Ooh, it does break. But really nice to squish. And it's also kind of see-through. And the two unicorns, they're fun too. Really fun to play with. and I'm totally getting some more. And if you're wondering how much they are, they're 99p. If you wanted to get it from Smith's Toy Superstore. It's just called, as it says on here, Unicorn Poop Slime. Oh yeah, it's backwards to you. But it says Unicorn Poo and Figure. It has a little picture of a unicorn, but obviously facing the other way. And it's really, really nice. And look, you can kind of see through it, but it does get quite cloudy after you've played with it for like a long time. Sometimes there are little pieces on you, but they're really, really easy to get back up. No, yeah, we live next to a park, so if you can hear people, they're just outside playing at the park. And this slime is so nice to play with. You seriously need to get this slime. It does not stick. I haven't tested it overnight, but I guess it's been in the shop for a long time though. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some more of these little tiny butterflies out of there. This are all the little butterflies that are stuck at the bottom. This one doesn't have as many, but it still does have quite a few, so I'm just gonna try and get them out of there. Got a few of them out. That would have been fun too. Oh, it's so fun playing with this slime. Please subscribe. I've made quite a few videos that you can see. Please tell me how you think about them. I don't mind whether you do thumbs up or thumbs down for my videos, but as everybody says, please like and subscribe, and also subscribe to my friend who I think is called Cool Love Hearts. So just cool space love hearts with no space. Okay? Please subscribe to her channel and like her videos. She's my best friend. She hasn't been in any of my videos, but her sister has. If you watch Moving House Surprise Part 1 and Part 2. And she is really, really nice, and she has lots of LOLs. I think nearly all of her videos are about LOLs. And also, you know, blue tack slime that was at her house. About 4 of my videos are at her house. She's a good friend, and she liked all of my videos, and she subscribed to me, and I've subscribed to her. So, if you'd like to subscribe to us too, and yeah.